The shocking truth. Discover the world's 10 most bank-breaking countries for car owners. Owning a car can be a symbol of freedom and convenience, but in some countries, the price of that privilege is astonishingly high. Factors such as purchase price, taxes, fuel costs, insurance, and maintenance can all contribute to the overall expense of car ownership. In this video, we'll take a road trip through the 10 most expensive countries to own a car, exploring the unique financial challenges that drivers face in each nation. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. 10. France. Our road trip begins in France, a country celebrated for its culture, cuisine, and scenic landscapes. While France offers an excellent road network, car ownership here comes with financial considerations. High fuel prices, insurance premiums, and maintenance costs all contribute to the overall expense. Additionally, the country has implemented stringent emission standards in urban areas to combat pollution, which can require costly vehicle modifications or the purchase of more environmentally friendly cars. 9. Germany. Germany, known for its autobahns and automotive engineering prowess, surprisingly imposes high costs on car owners. Vehicle taxes, fuel prices, and insurance premiums can be substantial. Additionally, strict vehicle inspection standards and maintenance requirements add to the expenses. Despite these costs, many Germans take pride in their cars and the freedom they offer on the open road. 8. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom, a nation steeped in automotive history, has its own set of financial challenges for car owners. Fuel costs and insurance premiums add to the financial burden. Vehicle excise duty, commonly known as road tax, and congestion charges in cities like London further contribute to the overall cost. Nevertheless, the availability of extensive public transportation options helps alleviate some of these expenses. 7. Belgium. Belgium, with its historic cities and scenic countryside, comes with its own expenses for car owners. High registration taxes and fuel costs add to the overall financial burden. Belgium's dense population often results in congested roads, which in turn lead to increased maintenance expenses. Despite these costs, cars continue to be a preferred mode of transport among Belgian residents, offering flexibility and convenience in navigating the country's picturesque landscapes. Belgium's car ownership landscape exemplifies the trade-off between the expenses incurred and the benefits of personal mobility, particularly in a nation where the allure of historic towns and rural beauty remains strong. 6. Netherlands. The Netherlands, renowned for its bicycle-friendly infrastructure, may not be an obvious choice for costly car ownership. However, owning a car in this country presents unique financial challenges. High taxes on vehicles, fuel costs, and parking fees all contribute to the overall expense. Dutch car owners must also adhere to stringent emissions regulations, underlining the nation's dedication to sustainability. Despite the convenience of cars, many residents weigh these financial considerations against the benefits of personal mobility in a nation where cycling is a prevalent mode of transport. The Netherlands, though not the priciest, exemplifies the balance between convenience and cost that car owners contend with in various countries. 5. Sweden. Sweden, while not the costliest among the listed countries, does pose unique financial challenges for car owners. Factors such as purchase price, taxes, fuel costs, insurance, and maintenance contribute to the overall expense. High vehicle purchase taxes in Sweden can significantly inflate the initial cost of car ownership. Additionally, fuel prices and insurance premiums are notable contributors to the overall financial burden. Sweden's robust road infrastructure and safety commitment make car ownership appealing, but it requires balancing convenience with the associated costs. Despite these expenses, Swedish drivers value the reliability and adaptability of cars in tackling the country's diverse climates and terrains. While Sweden isn't the most expensive place to own a car on the list, it still demands careful consideration of financial commitments compared to other countries. 4. Iceland. Iceland, often renowned for its stunning natural landscapes and remote locations, ranks fourth among the most expensive countries to own a car. The high costs associated with car ownership in Iceland are primarily driven by a combination of factors. Firstly, The import taxes on vehicles are substantial, significantly inflating the purchase price of both new and used cars. These taxes are imposed to protect the domestic car market. Secondly, Iceland's challenging terrain and climate contribute to higher maintenance costs, particularly for tires and vehicle components that endure harsh conditions. Lastly, the country's dependence on imported cars, given its lack of domestic car manufacturing, adds to the overall expense. While the allure of exploring Iceland's rugged landscapes from the comfort of a car is undeniable, those considering car ownership in this Nordic island nation must weigh the financial commitment against the unique advantages it offers. 3. Denmark. Denmark, ranking third among the most expensive countries for car ownership, presents unique financial challenges. The nation boasts a robust public transportation system, but those opting for car ownership face high registration taxes and fuel prices. Notably, hefty registration taxes significantly inflate vehicle purchase prices, aiming to curtail car usage in favor of public transit. In addition to these taxes, Danish motorists grapple with elevated fuel costs, adding to overall expenses. Stringent emission standards further amplify costs, demanding pricier vehicle modifications or environmentally friendly car purchases for compliance. Despite these financial hurdles, the allure of personal mobility remains strong, attracting Danish residents to car ownership, albeit at a premium price. Denmark's car ownership landscape underscores the equilibrium between autonomy and expense, securing its position among the costliest countries for car ownership. 2. Norway. Norway, ranked second on the list of the most expensive countries to own a car, boasts a unique landscape for car ownership. The country's commitment to sustainability is evident in its policies that heavily incentivize electric vehicle (EV) adoption. EVs enjoy benefits such as import duty exemptions and reduced road tolls, which contribute to their popularity. However, for traditional vehicle owners, Norway presents a different financial landscape. High taxes and import duties on conventional cars drive up the initial purchase price, making them significantly more expensive than in many other countries. Additionally, fuel costs in Norway consistently rank among the highest in the world. Despite these challenges, Norway's efforts to reduce emissions and promote clean energy solutions make it a fascinating case study in the evolving landscape of car ownership. The decision to own a car in Norway often involves weighing the costs and benefits of traditional versus electric vehicles, reflecting the country's commitment to a greener future. 1. Singapore. Singapore tops the list as the most expensive country to own a car. The city-state's small land area, coupled with strict regulations and hefty taxes, makes car ownership a luxury reserved for the affluent. A key contributor to the high costs is the Certificate of Entitlement (COE), which can often cost as much as the car itself. This certificate is required to own a car and is auctioned periodically, driving up prices. In addition to purchase costs, Singaporeans face high fuel prices and road tolls, adding to the financial burden of car ownership. The government's policies aim to control congestion and promote public transportation. While owning a car in Singapore may offer convenience, it comes at a premium price, making it one of the most expensive places globally to own and operate a vehicle. Conclusion. As we conclude our journey through the 10 most expensive countries to own a car, it's evident that car ownership costs can vary greatly around the world. While owning a car provides freedom and convenience, it often comes at a significant financial commitment, influenced by factors such as government policies, taxes, fuel prices, and local infrastructure. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, then hit the subscribe button to never miss out on any of our videos. See you next time.